Betterment Charitable Giving Investment App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Betterment is widely known as a robo-advisor, but its charitable giving feature helps investors contribute to causes while managing wealth. Many people get this wrong by assuming charitable investing is complicated or expensive, but Betterment combines simplicity with low fees. Betterment charges 0.25% annually for its digital plan and 0.40% for the premium plan, which includes financial advice. Charitable contributions are executed via donor-advised funds, allowing investors to make tax-efficient donations. There are no extra fees for the charitable component itself, though minimum contribution amounts apply, typically around. Most people assume that using a donor-advised fund involves cumbersome paperwork. Betterment automates the process, linking your portfolio to the donation account, tracking contributions and recommending optimal tax strategies. For example, you could schedule monthly contributions directly from your taxable account while keeping your investment growth on track. The surprising truth is that Betterment's charitable giving feature integrates seamlessly with long-term investing. Investors can grow wealth, manage taxes efficiently, and support causes without needing a separate financial advisor. In conclusion, Betterment pricing for charitable investing is transparent, with annual management fees covering both investment and giving functions. By understanding the cost structure and automation features, investors see how Betterment provides a streamlined, tax-smart way to give while building wealth.